Sharp rhythmic lines can instantly energize a design, and this technique will show you how to construct them with perfect continuity. How to create seamless zigzag patterns. Open Photoshop and create a new square canvas around 1700 pixels to keep spacing manageable and precise. Select the Line tool and draw a diagonal stroke across the center, then duplicate it and rotate the copy to form a zigzag peak. Group these two lines and duplicate the group horizontally while holding Shift so alignment stays straight. Continue duplicating until a full row appears, then duplicate the entire row downward to build a repeating